Wonderful good morning to all. I am Purna Prakash, Assistant Professor of AI and DES in Akshaya College of Engineering Technology, Coimbatore. Now I am going to teach about digital signature. Now I am going to tell about what is digital signature. A digital signature is an authentication mechanism that enables the creator of a message to attach a code, act as a signature. This signature is formed by taking hash of the message and encrypting the message with the creator's private key. Requirements: message authentication protects two parties who exchange message from any third party. However, it does not protect the two parties against each other. In situation where there is not complete trust between sender and receiver, something more than authentication is needed. The digital signature is analog to the handwritten signature. It must have following properties. It must verify the author, date and time of the signature. It must authenticate the content at the time of the signature. It must be verified by third parties to resolve disputes. The digital signature function include authentication function on the basis of these properties. We can formulate the following requirements for a digital signature. Must be a bit pattern depending on the message. Being a signed signature must use some information unique to the sender to prevent forgery and denial. Computationally easy to produce a signature. Computationally easy to recognize and verify the signature. Computationally infeasible to forge a digital signature, either by constructing a new message for an existing digital signature or by constructing a fraudulent digital signature for a given message. Practical to retain a copy of a digital signature in storage. A digital signature is a type of asymmetric cryptography used to simulate security properties of a signature in detail rather than written form. Digital signature is an electronic signature that can be used to authenticate the identity of the sender of a message or the signer of a document, and possibly to ensure that the original content of the message or document that has been sent is unchanged. This is a process to work of a digital signature, and I will tell about how it works. The use of digital signature usually involve two processes, one performed by the signer and other performed by the receiver of digital signature. Digital signature creation. Digital signature creation, the process is performed by the sender of the message. Digital signature verification, the process is performed by the receiver of the message. Digital signature creation use a hash result derived from an unique to both side message and a given a private key. For the hash result to be secured, there must be only a negligible possibility that the same digital signature could be created by the combination of any other message or private key. Digital signature verification. It is the process of checking digital signature by reference to original message and given a public key, thereby determining whether the digital signature was created for the same message using the private key that correspond to the referenced public key. Key requirements of the digital signature. Each individual generate his own key pair, private and public key. Private key, only known as the own sender, used to create a digital signature. Public key, it is known to everyone, used to verify the digital signature. Digital certificate, digital identity that establishes your credential when doing business or other transaction on the web, issued by a certifying authority, contains your name, serial number, expiration date, public key, signature of CA. Certificable authority, trusted third party, an organization which issues public key certificate, assure the identity of the parties to whom it issues certificates, maintain online access to the public key certificate issued. This is a private key protection. And then next I am going to tell about benefits of digital signature. First one is authentication. Digital signature can be used to authenticate the source of message. When ownership of a digital signature, secret key is bound to a specific user. A valid signature shows that the message was sent by that user. The importance of high confidence in sender authenticity is especially obvious in a financial content. Integrity. In many scenarios, the sender and the receiver of a message may have a need of confidence that the message has not been altered during transmission. Although encryption hides the content of a message, it may be possible to change an encrypted message without understanding it. If a message is digitally signed, any change message will invalidate the signature. Furthermore, there is no efficient way to modify a message and its signature to produce a new message with a valid signature, because this is still considered to be computationally infeasible by most cryptographic hash functions. Paper signature versus digital signature. Parameters such as authenticity, integrity, non-repudiation. In paper may be forged. Electronic cannot be copied. Integrity. Signature independent of the document is used in the paper. Signature depends on the content of the document. Non-reputation. In paper they consist of handwriting expert needed, error prone. In electronic digital signature, any computer user can use this digital signature, error free. Drawbacks of digital signature. The private key must be kept in a secure manner. The process of generation and verification of digital signature require considerable amount of time. For using digital signature, user has to obtain private and public key. The receiver has to obtain the digital signature certificate also. Applications: electronic mail, data storage, electronic funds transfer, software distribution, smart cards, blind signature, time-stamped signature. Advantages of digital signature. In authentication, confirms the sender's identity during the origin of the message or document. In integrity, verifies the content of the message has not been tampered with during transmission. Drawn repudiation prevents the sender from denying their involvement as the signature is uniquely tied to their private key. Legal validity. Digital signature are recognized as legally binding in many jurisdictions, making them suitable for official document. Efficiency. Allow use secure verification of large volume of data quickly and reliably. Disadvantages. Key management require secure storage and management of private key. Losing private key can render the system unusable. Dependency on public key infrastructure. Needs a robust PKI to issue and manage certificate, which can be complex and costly. Vulnerability to cyber attacks. If the private key is compromised, the security of digital signature is nullified. Compatibility issue. Older systems or application may not support modern digital signature standard. Real-time application in information security. Ensuring evidence in integrity. Applications such as hashing and digitally signing evidence file ensure their authenticity and integrity during forensic investigations. Example: a forensic investigation signs a disk image file to prove it has not been tampered with. Secure communication. Application enable investigator to securely share sensitive case, detail or report over digital channel. Example: a law enforcement agency uses digital signed email to communicate finding without risk of forgery. Legal documentation. Digital signatures are used to authenticate legal documents or contracts related to investigation. Signing court warrant or sub opens electronically for rapid case processing. Chain of custody maintenance helps maintain an accurate chain of custody for digital evidence by digitally signing each transfer or access. Signing logs during evidence handover to establish accountability. Summary: digital signature are a correspondent of secure communication and data validation in information security investigation. They ensure the authenticity and the integrity of evidence maintain a verifiable chain of custody, and prove non-repudiation. While they are powerful tools, their effectiveness depends on proper key management, robust infrastructure, and user awareness. Thank you to one and all.